Kittens are in a new area where they have their litter box and their food and their water. And a lot more open space, and they're learning to play and have fun with things. It's super cute. That's a kitten from another litter. Oh, careful. Oh, yeah, we're learning how to eat. Oh, that's very tasty. All back over here. Oh, there you go. And there you go. We can see you, all of you. There you go. Except the one that's in the litter box. Okay, you come on out of there. There we go. Oh. Okay, 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 there you go, honey. There you go. Wanna play with the younger kittens? This way. You gotta come through here.